Hello everyone, I am Ahmed Abdurrahman from Springday, and today I will talk about our product, industrial evaporative air cooler S400. As you see, S400, this model is industrial model, and industrial evaporative air coolers models works in big areas like mosques, churches, factories, stocks, the place where is a lot of human, they are working there. And why I should use this evaporative air cooler instead of air conditioners? The answer is evaporative air coolers, they are very cheap. They are cheaper than air conditioners, and their consumption a little, you will pay a little receipt in electric and water, maybe reaches to half price if you are using evaporative air coolers. Okay, today we will talk about S400 model. S400 model airflow is 40,000 in meter square. Okay. The motor power is 3 kilowatt. He comes with 12 different speed. His volt is 380. The area he's effective is it's from 500 to 600 meter square. Water consumption is from 30 to 40 liter ampere hour. And his weight is 100, net weight is 100 kilogram. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any question, you can call us in our WhatsApp number, or you can leave your question in the comments below the videos, or you can send to us without the email. Thank you very much. Waiting for your requests.